Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Did you know that over 35% of households in the US grow some of their own food? And here's the best part. You can start your own vegetable garden in containers for just $10. Today, I'm going to show you how. Let's jump right in. Why container gardening? Container gardening is perfect for small spaces like balconies, patios, or even windowsills. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and super satisfying to grow your own food at home. Materials needed. Here's what you'll need. A container. You can reuse something like an old bucket or buy one for under $5. Potting mix. A small bag costs around $3 to $5. Seeds. Choose easy-to-grow vegetables like lettuce, spinach, or radishes. These cost about $1 to $2 per packet. And here's a pro tip. If you want a hassle-free way to grow your veggies, check out the Click and Grow Smart Garden. It's an all-in-one solution for growing plants indoors. More on that later. Preparing your container. Step 1. Make sure your container has drainage holes. This is essential to prevent water from pooling and drowning your plants. If your container doesn't already have holes, you can easily drill or punch some in. Planting the seeds. Step 2. Fill your container with potting mix, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Sprinkle your seeds evenly. Cover them lightly with soil, and give them a good watering, maintaining your plants. Step 3. Place your container in a spot that gets plenty of sunlight. Water your plants regularly, but don't overdo it. Most vegetables like their soil moist but not soggy. In just a few weeks, you'll start to see your veggies grow. Now, if you're looking for an even simpler way to grow vegetables indoors, I highly recommend the Click and Grow. It's a smart gardening system that takes care of the watering, lighting, and nutrients for you. All you have to do is plant the pods and watch your veggies grow. No guesswork, no mess. Ready to start your gardening journey? Grab your supplies and get planting. And if you want to try the Click and Grow Smart Garden, make sure to click my affiliate link in the description below. Not only will you get an amazing product, but you'll also be supporting this channel. Win-win. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video.